Okay, so previously we have covered chapter 15, in which we have talked about RSA codes. Then we have talked about encoding, decoding, and then how secure those codes are. And then we have little bit talked about the history. Now we'll do these two exercises and then finish this chapter. So the first exercise is find the primes P and Q given that their product and the product minus one. Okay, so we'll try to do that. Solution. So let's say we have P plus Q, which can be written as PQ minus P minus 1, Q minus 1 plus 1. And this is nothing but 18779 minus 18480 plus 1, and that is 300. Hence, P comma Q are roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 300x plus 18779 is 0. And using the quadratic formula, the roots are going to be that x is 1/2 300 plus minus under root 300 square minus 4 into 18779, and by using this, x is 211 comma 89. So you can say P is 211 and Q is 89. So that's why in RSA codes, we don't reveal the value of P and Q. We only reveal the value of their product and the exponential number, not even the P minus 1 into Q minus 1. Okay, perfect. Imagine these P and Q have 200 digits and you only reveal their product. So no computer on earth can solve that factorization and just find out. Like it will take even the current strongest computer several centuries to solve that. Perfect. Question number 2. So we have Sam, critic Ivor Smallbrand has been given the honor of being given a chance to nominate the best film of all the times by the Oscar committee. He has to send his nomination to them using the RSA code with public key n, comma e is equals to 108125. The nomination will only be accepted if it remains secret until the ceremony. Unfortunately, arch rival Greta Picture intercepts Evo's message. Here it is. Greta offers a large sum to anyone who can crack the code and decipher Evo's message. Can you improve your bank balance and disappoint Evo? Let's see. So, solution to crack this code, code Observe that 1081 is nothing but 23.47. Now taking P is 23, Q is 47, we have P minus 1 and Q minus 1 is equals to 1012. Now since E is 25 and 25 into 81 congruent to 1 mod 1012, the decoding power, the D is 81. So the decoded message starts with, so the decoded message starts with 23rd power 81 mod 1081, which is nothing but 161. Then we have 930 power 81 mod 1081, which is 925. Then we have 228 power 81 mod 1081, that is 30. And finally, we have 632 power 81 mod 1081 equals to 815. So the decoded message is 161,925,030,815, which with the usual letter substitution, which with the usual letter substitution, that is A for 01, B for 02, etc. is P S Y C H O. Psycho. Good choice, Wo. So we have just decoded the message. Why? Because the product of prime numbers, which is n, as available as a public key, was 1081, very small and very easy to break. And find out the factorization. That's why we choose large primes and then their product is again very large, and then it's very hard to find out or like even guess those primes, and then hard to find out these decoding numbers. Okay, perfect. So we will end this exercise part here. Thank you so much. Enjoy the RSA codes and send me a RSA coded comment on this video.